proactive passenger protection system assists the driver in critical situations. Within system limits, it can minimize the consequences of a traffic accident. Unexpected wet patch on a bend. The electronic stability control ESC detects that the Arteon is starting to skid. It needs to respond quickly. The system tightens the front seat belts. The windows are closed to just a crack, otherwise the head airbags cannot provide optimum protection. If the sliding sunroof is open, it is closed as well. Everything turned out fine. The Arteon is firmly back on track. New. Using radar, the proactive passenger protection system also monitors the area behind the Arteon. A vehicle is on a collision course. The assistant detects this and reacts. Fast hazard light flashing informs other drivers of the impending hazard. The sunroof is closing, the windows shut to a crack, the front seat belts are tightened. When the hazard is passed, the seat belts are loosened again. Prepared for serious situations. The proactive passenger protection system.